Hi, today's session we are going to see about data compare and data manipulation instructions. So when you come to data manipulation instructions, so we have data manipulation instructions where this advanced instruction can be used to manipulate the data. It may be used to move some data from one place to another place, like that we can use. So these are the data manipulation instructions. So it is used in PLC memory operations. So the data table which can be used for uh, operations where you have a mathematical operation, where you have a sequential operation or a logical operation also you can do through this data manipulation instructions. So already we have seen how this data is stored. It will be stored in terms of memory, where data will be in terms of words, bits, or double words, like that it will be stored. So what are the instructions available? So we have two instructions we will study this time. We have move instruction and clear instructions. Move instruction means, so it will move a data. It may be of bit data, it may be of integer data, it may be of float data from one address to the another address. From one address to another address, it will move. So next one is clear data, which means it will clear that memory. So to 0. So that's what it will be doing. So these are two instructions which comes together, as we have seen for data compare instructions. It will comes with two instructions. So what this move instruction will do? So we are studying based on Allen Bradley PLC. So from a source address to a destination address, when input to this move instruction is true, it will move the data from the source to destination. So let us see this. So this move instruction is made for an input A. So when this is made 7.30, n means integer here, it is moved from 7.0 to 7.20. So whatever may be the data, let us take here the value of 10 is stored. That data will be moved from this address to this address. So it will be moved from this address to this address. That's part of how it will be working in a data table. So when this function will work, when the A is true, this will work. If it is false, it will not work. Okay, so that is how this data movement will be done. So like microcontroller, we have seen, we have instruction called masked move. So in between, we'll have another one address. So the people will be familiar with these addresses. The data is transferred with a mask. So that we call it as masked moving. So this also has the source address, destination address, and in between a masking address. So the data will be in the source address, but the destination will be knowing only mask. So through this, the data from source to destination will be transferred. So that's move with mask data. So you have a data in the source. So and it will be moved from mask to destination. How like that the data will be transferred. This instruction also works when this input to this advanced instruction is true. So all manipulation instructions will be working based on the input is true or false. If this input is true, this will work. Otherwise, it will not work. So this move instructions preferably used for changing the preset value of timer. You want to change the preset value of timer based on one switch on condition, another switch off condition, like that you want to move. So you can change the preset value of a timer. Then you have a set point. You want to change the set point based on 3 different switches. That also you can use the move instruction. You can see your counter set point is changed based on 3 conditions. If A is true, the set point becomes, you can see the preset value of this counter is given as the destination. Source we have stored as 300, 175, one other one is 50. So the destination is address of the preset value of the counter. So if we want to change A, if A is true, this counter should count 175 means if A is true, this value will be 300 will be sent to preset. If B is 2, this 175 will be sent to the preset. If C is 2, this 50 will be sent to the preset. So this preset value will change. You can change. It may be of counter or it may be of timer. You can change. You can change based on the input condition of the particular instruction is true. So we will see the simulation of this instruction also. So when you have a data manipulation instruction, we have three instructions. One is move instruction, which is to move from one source to another destination. It will be moving from one address to another address. Mask move is there, which is sent through a different address keeping in mask. Then clear instruction is there, which is used to clear the particular memory. So let us see how this can be simulated. So you can go to our logic code. This is the software which is behind the programming. So here we can make that program. So let us take, we are moving from one address to another address. So we are having that manipulation instructions you can have. So here it is there, move or logical instructions where we'll have the manipulation instructions, move, mask move, and all these logics are there. So we want to use, okay, let it may be used for an one input to true. So we'll make an input contact. For if this contact works, that move instruction should work. That is a program we are going to write. So let us take a move instruction here. Okay. So this move instruction we can put with the timer. Let us take, okay, we'll take a timer. So for the timer set point, we can change. We are keeping this timer. Okay. Right. Now this we have to give the address, like we'll take from the input memory table. We can just drag in the address. We are just dragging in the address. Okay. So we are using a move instruction. This move instruction, source address, destination, both address we have to give. So move don't have any name. So but timer has a name. So we can take the timer name by double clicking that timer block. You will get this timer T4.0 we are bringing here. This is the name of the timer. Okay. So let us give source address and destination address for this move instruction. Let we take from float or integer. So let us try it from float. So integer, sorry. So when you take integer, you can have the memory of integer table where at 7.0 is there, 7.1, 7. These are the addresses of the memory table where you can store your integer value. So let us giving this one here. So 7.0, let us store some value 10 like this in this area. Okay, we have stored 10. Where it should go to timer preset. So what we'll do, we'll take timer. From the timer preset value should the destination. So we are giving timer preset as the destination here. So we'll write T 4.0 colon preset value. Okay. Now we'll run and see how it is running. So already the preset value is told, we have fixed no. Now when this instruction moves, we want to move the source value to the timer preset. So that's how the working of this will work. Have so move instruction, how it works, we'll see. Okay. Now we have run. Right. Now we are making this system to work. Run mode online. We want to move this IO simulator. We can take when input is 2. You can see already we have some preset value is there. So we want to move this 10 to here. When we this press this will move here. So that's how the preset value can be changed. Or you want to, so we want to move to some other location. Let us see. Here we are giving some other address. Okay, from integer, we'll take 7.1 as your address. Okay, now we have to download this. So what is there 7.0 that can be transferred to 7.1. So we are running this. Okay, so you can see that already in 7.0 it is 10. So I can change this, let us it be 5. So when this 5 will be transferred to 7.1, when this instruction becomes 2. So you can see when it becomes 2, it is moved to 5. You can see in the memory table also it moves, it's changed to 5. So like that, you can make these instructions to move the data from one place to the other place. So the how this is how you can have data manipulation instructions. Out of this, you want to have a clear instruction also. So we can have. So let us have. Let us want to do some clear instruction. So we'll have a input. Okay, let me have second input. For when this input is to, we want to clear. So we'll have. So this we have some input address we can give. Second address, let us give. Given we have given. So we want to clear which address we want to clear. So that we will give from integer, let it be. Okay, 7.1 we can give. We'll clear 7.1. You want to clear timer, we can clear from this. So same thing, we can go online. You can download this program and run this. Okay. You see, we have moved 5 to 5 here. Here we want to have some different value. Okay, out of instead of 5, we have some 10 value here. And so this 10 you want to move to 7.1, we can move by which way? When this input is 2, it will be moved. Okay, this 10 is moved to the other address. Okay, now you want to clear this address. I move this, it becomes clear. Which we have given the address where you want to clear, that's all. So that's how these instructions are used for data manipulation. I think you might have understood how this data manipulation works. Thank you.